జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. అరణ్యకాండ. ఓ మౌంటైన్, ఇఫ్ యు డు నాట్ షో మీ మై సీత, మమ బాణాగ్ని నిర్దగ్ధో భస్మీభూతో భవిష్యసి. విత్ ద ఫైర్ విచ్ కమ్స్ అవుట్ ఫ్రమ్ మై arrows, I am going to burn you into ashes. O mountain, I will also make sure no more trees, no more grass will be on you, so that nobody will be coming and staying even for a moment on you. Like that, you would not be any more qualified for any persons to stay on you. Like that I will do. And immediately Rama turned to Lakshmana and saying that, "Oh Lakshmana, my Sita is most respectable woman in this entire world. Such Sita, whereabouts of Sita, if this river does not tell me, imam va saritancha adya soshaishyami, I will make sure that this river is completely dried." Like that, Rama, with so much of angry, talking to Lakshmana, Rama's looks are looking like it is filled up with fire, and that fire might burn everything into ashes. To that extent, Rama's looks carrying so much of angry. Rama and Lakshmana both were heading towards southern side. While they are walking, Rama noticed there are footprints. Rakshasasya padam mahat. Rama understood that those footprints are of big, huge Rakshasa. And also he noticed another footprints, that is of Sita Devi. Maidhilyascha padanyadha. It is looking like Sitamma is going here and there while Rakshasas are pulling her forcibly. That is how Rama understood after looking at the footprints of Sita Devi. And after going to little bit of more distance, Rama noticed Bhagnam Dhanuscha, a bow which is broken over there and fell down over there. Tunicha, there are so many arrows. Vikirnam Bahudharadham, the chariot also broke down, and Rama noticed there are so many pieces scattered here and there. Suddenly Rama got so much fear, and with so much of wonder, he is saying that, "Lakshmana, pasya, look at that. Vaidehyaha sirnaha kanakabindavaha bhushananam." Lakshmana, do you see all those pieces of the ornaments belongs to Sita? There are malyani vividhani cha. There are so many flowers scattered here and there. Those flowers also of Sita. Lakshmana, here it looks like sarvato dharanitalam kshataja bindubhihi. This entire part of earth is filled up with so many blood spots. Lakshmana, it is looking like Rakshasas bhitva vibhaktava cut Sita into pieces and pieces. Bhakshitava, probably they ate Sita here. Lakshmana, for Sita, it is looking like two Rakshasas fought each other here. Oh Lakshmana, everywhere you see there are arrows, and there is such a wonderful golden decorated bow. Everything is broke down here. Lakshmana, do you see that Chetram also fell down? Do you see that golden shield also broke down? Lakshmana, there is a Dvajam, that is also broke down. Lakshmana, do you see all those donkeys? Those donkeys were also killed. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman-Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman-Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.